Dude, I have the best game idea ever, but I can't even tell you about it because you might steal it. I'm gonna quit my job to pursue indie game development full time. I've been working on an MMO idea for 10 years now. I have every character's backstory written. I just need to make the game now. Classic games are just so much better. I love indie games because AAA games are all the same. I just need funding now to do all the programming, modeling, and world building. Dude, nobody has thought of this idea. Dude, I didn't even learn anything in college. Yeah, I know I've been working on that other game idea for like a year, but this one's better. So I got this idea I think I'm gonna start. It's like World of Warcraft and Fortnite and Minecraft put together. Yeah, it's gonna be a solo project. Well, like Notch made Minecraft by himself. They say you should make like your first project really small, but I hate mobile games and I refuse to make a mobile game. Also AAA. I hate AAA. I refuse to make a AAA game. Hey guys, you can finally back my project on Kickstarter. Everyone's gonna love this game idea because it's like nothing they've ever seen before. I don't understand, why does no one like my game? It was the best idea ever. Yo, my game idea would have done great, but it's just, dude, market's oversaturated. Guys, we raised 10K on Kickstarter. I'm ready to quit my job. I learned so much from my first game, like basically what not to do. Dude, if I can just get PewDiePie to play my game, dude. Yeah. I plan to release this spring. I think we're gonna release this summer. Expect to release this winter. Sometime next year, we're gonna release. Dude, I think we just gotta release it buggy. Jokes aside, thank you everyone for supporting my indie game on Kickstarter. You the best.